Hey, how we doing? This is Brandon here from the Old School Game Vault. Today we're going to go over, or actually make a quick Nintendo 3DS guide. How to reset parental controls without a PIN code. If you've ever had the experience of this could be quite irritating. So what I want to do is I want to delete the console. I want to format the console, but it's telling me it's blocked by parental controls. So in order to do this, we're going to have to get an inquiry number. Then we're going to need to get a master key. It's not really that difficult if you just follow these steps. So first things first, like I said, I'm trying to format the memory. It says it's restricted. So what we're going to do is we're going to enter in a generic code 3 times. So 1, okay, 2, okay, 3, okay. Now it's telling us we need to go to the parental controls because we have to answer our secret question. Parental controls, forgot PIN. Okay, what did you call your first pet? Well, since it's not my console, I don't know. So we're going to click I forgot. Once you click I forgot, we have this inquiry number. This is what we need to use to get our master key. So if you look at the video description below, there's a link which goes to my blog page. In that blog page, there's 2 URLs. One goes to Nintendo. I believe it costs about 50 cents or $1, and you can get a new master key there. Or there's another one. It's a free generator. I don't own it. I just found it and found it useful. There, this free generator, you can use it for Nintendo Switch, Nintendo 3DS, Nintendo Wii U. It's pretty handy. So what you're going to need when you go there is you're going to need to enter in the device type, which is the 3DS, this inquiry number right here, and then you're also going to need to enter in your console's date. Might be self-explanatory, but maybe your date's different than mine. Mine's 10/24/25, which is today. But in this generator, you're going to enter in the month and the day. So once you enter in all 3 of those things, you're going to generate a master key. Once you got the master key, you're going to enter it in here. So, inquiry number page, click OK. So this is where you're going to enter in your master key. My master key I generated is 05742. Master key confirmed. Sweet. So that means you can enter a new PIN code. So, now if this is your own console and you want a PIN code, cool. Then enter in whatever you want and add your own security key. But for me, I don't want the PIN code. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter in a real easy, something I can remember, 11111. Enter that in again, 1111. Okay, so I set the new PIN. Now it's going to ask for a security question. So I'm just going to do, what'd you call your first pet? For this example, we'll name him Doggy. Doggy. Okay. First pet, Doggy, gotcha. All right, so now that's all been set. So now I'm going to clear the PIN. I don't want to register because I don't want this. So to clear the PIN, we're going to go clear settings. And that's how you do it. So if you found this helpful, hit the like button. You can subscribe to our channel. That'd be cool. Or check out our channel. We have other cool videos, how-to videos, yada, yada. Otherwise, I'm Brandon from the Old School Game Vault. Thanks for watching. Take care, everybody.